up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have for you one of my absolutely favorite subscription boxes, the Heroes Tower. So guys, I had planned to put out a geeky DIY video for this week, but then I got this box and I can't wait to unbox it. So I'm going to go ahead and do this box this week, and I'm going to try to include more than 5 DIYs in my geeky DIY videos, just to try to catch up with all these crazy ideas that I have and to give you guys tons of ideas for this Christmas holiday season. So in this video, I will also have the results of our craft challenge, and I also am going to have a giveaway. Yay! So make sure that you stay tuned for the whole entire video so that you don't miss any of the fun stuff I have coming up. Without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay guys, so whoa! Here's my box. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with the Heroes Tower, this is a subscription box that I got from Cratejoy. It is a geeky subscription box, and they do have a plethora of options. So the things that I get in my box are catered towards the things that I like. So you can check and see what options they have available and see if they have the kinds of things that you like. And if they don't, then you can always reach out to them, and perhaps they are able to create a box with things that you like in it. So make sure that you do that if you don't see an option that is something that you would like to get each and every single month. All right, guys. Woo, let's see what I got in my box. What? All right. So this is what it looks like when I open it up. And I do have an item list of all the items in my box in case I don't know what something is, which is very helpful because that happens a lot. But they also have a Patreon site as well. They're on Patreon, so you can support them on there as well. All right, so let's open this bad boy up. It's all bubble wrapped, nice and neat. Let's get into this thing, guys. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Oh, that's fun. I don't have him. And that's so funny because in my geeky area, I just bought a boatload of little geeky figurines that were at the Dollar Tree. Totally scored, guys. I'm super excited about it. Okay, so let's just start with this awesome thing up top here. We have an Aquaman figurine. Look at this, guys. Look at how awesome he is. And this is so exciting, guys, because I do not have an Aquaman one. I have a lot of the other figurines. Like I said, I was able to pick up a ton of super cool stuff at the Dollar Tree, but Aquaman wasn't there. So now I have Aquaman. Yay! That is so super fun. That's exciting. Okay. Ooh, check this out. So we have an Iron Man and the Flash, it looks like. Yep, I'm right. Yay. Did I say Iron Man? Superman. It's Superman and the Flash. So sorry, guys. Clearly, here's Superman. There's the Flash at the top. It is a bookmark, but I probably will not use it as a bookmark because I'm going to have a geeky Christmas tree, and I'm going to include all kinds of things on there that probably aren't supposed to be ornaments. This will probably be on there too. I'm just saying. So that's awesome. Yay. All right. We have a baggie of goodies right here. So let's go ahead and dig into this little baggie of goodies. This is a cool one. It's like old school Batman and Robin. Oh, I love it. It is a postcard and it's old school Batman and Robin. This is so super cool, guys. I cannot wait to put this in my geeky area that I'm working on. It's looking so super great in there. I can't wait to show it to you guys, but it's definitely not ready yet. Okay, so we have a bunch of fun stickers in here. Ooh, and this is a handmade item. We have a handmade Batman magnet. Check that out, guys. Yes, please. Definitely don't have this one. I am so super excited. I love it, love it, love it. I love all my magnets and all that fun stuff. So, oh, this is fun. So we have a sticker that says best day ever. I don't know who that is on the sticker, but that's irrelevant. The sticker is pretty friggin' awesome. So that's cool. And then this looks like, is that Snow White? I think so. So super cute. Look at that. I love it. That is friggin' adorable. Oh my gosh. And then he always includes the postage stamp so that you can mail out your postcard to someone. And this says no. It's just a little cat. Yeah, no. I'm just saying. That's, oh my gosh, I love Hello Kitty. How cute is this? Look at the Hello Kitty sticker, guys. Oh my gosh, she is so adorable. Excuse me. I love that. Oh my gosh, I'm dropping. I solemnly swear that I can't read it. I am up to no good. Ah, that is cute. Here you go, guys. That is friggin' adorable, and I need to put that on my son's forehead because he is always literally up to no good. Okay, what else do we have here? Beauty is found within. Oh, that is a gorgeous sticker. Look at that. Guys, I'm going to put that in my glam DIY video. Oh my gosh, I love this sticker. I really love that sticker. Oh, check out Mario. How cute is he? I'm going to have Mario and Luigi on my Christmas tree in my geeky area as well because I have a little Mario and Luigi set. And this says, vote Loki. That's funny. I love it. Loki is Thor's brother. That is super cool. And I don't know whose hand this is. It could be Thanos because Thanos collected all of the gems, and that could be his little arm right there. I'm guessing. I don't know. But I think that's what that's supposed to be. And then we have a super cool Batman sticker. Oh my gosh, I love it. Guys, I love stickers. There's so many fun things you can do with stickers. And believe it or not, I know I keep saying it, but you guys are going to see that in some upcoming DIYs. This looks like the Transformers logo. Love it. Yes, yes, yes. I love my Transformers. Guys, that was loaded with a ton of super fun stickers. Wow, I cannot wait. Look, it's like the galaxy. Oh my gosh, look at this super cool magnet, guys. I hope you guys are going to get it in my glare of my ring light. That is freaking awesome. It's like the galaxy or something. Oh my gosh, I love it. That is so cool. Ooh, Transformers tattoos. I'm not going to take them out of here. But here, Transformers tattoos, guys. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. I do craft with tattoos all the time. And you guys are going to see these. I know I keep saying it, but it's really going to happen in upcoming videos. That's going to be friggin' awesome. Batman, the wedding. Stop it. An extra sized anniversary issue. Look at this, guys. Ah, that is so fun. That is so frame worthy. I love it. It looks like a great, elegant picture. I'm down. I'm just saying. I am so down. What do we have here? Spider-Man magazine. Ooh, I can't. Oh, yeah. So fun. Oh, guys, this is fun. Look at that. Oh, my gosh. This is like a crafter's dream. I love it. Yay. Okay, guys. So that wraps up everything that was in my actual box. But he also has his craft item challenge. That's also a part of my box from last month. And then we have this month's craft challenge as well. So let's go ahead. I'm going to move some things and then we're going to jump into what I made for the craft challenge item from last month as well as what Chad made. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, Chad sends me an item each and every single month when he has the time, which I hope is every single month because I love this. This is so incredibly fun. But he sends me an item that I need to think of something to make out of it. And then he makes something out of the exact same item. So last month, it was a tiny little Spider-Man guy, and I had to try to think of something to make with it. And honestly, guys, as soon as I saw that, I instantly knew what I was going to make, but I didn't want to let on for you guys that I knew what I was going to make already. So let's go ahead and let me show you what Chad made, and then I'll show you what I made. I did already open Chad's, and it's amazing. I would have never thought of this idea. So again, it was a little Spider-Man guy, and here's what Chad made. What? So this is a wine topper, guys. Look at that. That is so awesome. I would have never thought of this. This is 100% original. So it looks like he took a cap from something and then he stuck some really cool like rocks or something on the top to decorate that up. And then he stuck a cork right here so that you can put it on top of your wine. How awesome is that? So I am not a wine drinker, but I do have an empty wine bottle that I'm going to put this on so that I can put it in my geeky area. So you're probably like, why do you have an empty wine bottle if you don't drink? Somebody gave it to me to craft with, and I was like, oh my gosh. As soon as I saw this, when I opened it, I was like, oh my gosh, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to stick him on top of the bottle and put some fun stuff inside. That's geeky. It's going to be totally awesome. You guys are just going to have to wait and see that when I reveal my geeky area to you guys. Okay, so what did I make with the exact same thing? I made an ornament. What? So it's like a snow globe type of ornament thing. I was going to make a real snow globe, but then I thought, you know what? I need ornaments for my geeky Christmas tree that I'm going to be working on for my porch. And I was like, this is a perfect opportunity to take the chance to do that. So I stuck the little Spider-Man guy in the cap of this in the bottom, added some snow to cover up all the stuff on the bottom. And then he needed like a backdrop. So I gave him a Spider-Man sticker backdrop. That is one of the stickers that I got in my Heroes Tower mystery box, one of my months. So thank you, Chad. You helped me 2 times. I got to use your little Spider-Man guy and the Spider-Man backdrop. This is going to be a great addition to my Christmas tree. I so can't wait to get that one done. So this is all in good fun, guys. So just remember that and just let me know which one was your favorite. Did you like Chad's super cool wine topper? Very original idea. Never would have thought of that. Or my ornament the best this month. This is so super fun, guys. I love that he sends these things to me, and I love that he's a crafter like me. It just makes me so incredibly happy. You guys have no idea. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what the challenge is going to be for next month. They keep getting harder and harder, guys, so I'm a little afraid. But here's the item. Let's see what he's got in here for next month. Oh boy. Oh no. Okay. Here you go, guys. So what am I going to do? Oh my gosh, this is crazy. All right, like I said, they keep getting harder and harder and harder. So I have to think of something really cool to make with this for next month. All right, let's see what he has on his little note here. Next month's item is a flat Lego style piece. Rules, none. What geeky item are you going to craft up? So there's no rules, guys. Any ideas you guys want to give me in the comments below, go ahead and let me know what you would make out of this. I'm going to brainstorm and think of some really cool stuff that I can possibly do with this. I so can't wait. All right, Chad, thank you for another awesome box. Thank you for another super fun challenge. I love it, love it, love it. I look forward to this each and every single month. So I promised you guys a giveaway, right? So what am I giving away? Well, I asked Chad if he would put together a mystery box of goodies for one of you guys, and I'm going to give it away in this video. I do not know what's in there, but just keep in mind that I asked him just to do some of the most popular items that people get with his subscription box, so it's not going to be like the stuff that you saw in necessarily. It won't necessarily be like the stuff that you saw me unbox in my mystery box today, okay? So please just keep that in mind. It could be very, very, very different and more of the popular type of things that people are into who are geeky like myself. Okay, so here's the mystery box. I am not going to open it. I'm just going to package this up and send it off to you guys. I have no idea what's in here, but I'm sure it is so super awesome. I'm sure that he loaded it as best as he could with the goodies, that he thought would be popular and that are popular that you guys might like. So keep in mind that if geeky stuff isn't your thing, if you have somebody in your family, friends, whatever, that are into this kind of stuff, this will be an awesome Christmas gift. So what are the rules for the giveaway? Well, the rules are what they always are, guys. YouTube is in no way involved with or has anything to do with this giveaway. It is 100% on me. I am the sole sponsor of my giveaway, and I'm using my own hard-earned money that I bought this little mystery bundle with, okay? So you do have to live in the United States. This is not open internationally, so you must live in the United States or have a United States postal address, and you have to be subscribed to my channel. That's very important. You must make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, and please make sure that you go check out the Heroes Tower on Instagram, and I believe they are on Facebook. I know they're on Instagram, so check them out on Instagram. Follow Chad on Instagram as well. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm sure he would too. All right, guys, so I will have a full set of rules in the description box below. If you would like to be entered into this giveaway, please put the words, "I would love to enter your mystery box." So how are we going to do this? So just put mystery. Use the word mystery in your comment below. That will let me know that you want to be entered in for this giveaway. So just use the word mystery some creative way in your comment below, and that will let me know that you want to be entered in for this super fun giveaway. Okay, guys, I have to pop in here because I forgot to mention how long this giveaway will run for. This giveaway is going to run from today, November 2nd, all the way through November 16th, and I will be announcing the winner of the electronic picker on November 17th. That's it, guys. Let's go ahead and jump back into whatever I was talking about. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Please make sure that you check Chad out on Cratejoy. I have a link to his subscription box in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! This box is catered towards the things that I like. However, they have a plethora of options on their Cratejoy website. Oh no, try it again. And it has to be geeky related type thing, just like our box, or like his box, not my box. I wish I had time to do a subscription box. Try it again.